dog in the back seat.
My name
And
is...
and there's a little dog right here. Look at him sneak. This is Wolfie's little brother, Bones.
Literally little.
Sneaking forward.
Back.
Okay, he is... Okay, we'll do a little dog explanation here. This is Bones. He's happy.
He's my daughter's dog. And
This is the brother
of
of Wolfenheimer.
Wolfenheimer.
Go see your brother.
There we go.
Go see your brother, Bones.
Yeah.
That's a boy. Good dog.
The two of the brothers don't get together very often, and today they've gotten together, and we're
And
noticing...
they're pretty much ignoring each other.
They are.
As most siblings do.
Oh, all right, let's go. Here we go.
Oh my God!
What? 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 Oh my...
I know. See? See?
Why do we
It's
do
not
this? But look at their cute little faces.
It's a beautiful day.
It is. It's gorgeous. Once again, Marion, it's
Sweater weather!
Ooh, the sun's orange. That's awesome. I can't even... Are you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me? Are you?
I'm trying not to.
Oh, goodness gracious, we have so darn much fun. That was rear view driving out the back of the car.
I know. I noticed.
Pair number
Try
one.
not to panic.
Oh, ready? Pair number two. I always pretend that I'm a driving instructor, which is actually terrifying.
I was just gonna gasp.
We have to have positive thoughts.
I was just about to gasp at that idea.
You'd never know I was a professional driver, would you? I don't mind if you mention it. Oh, Mare, where should we go today?
Well,
All right. Did I sit through an entire green light? Like, what's going
I think
on?
you might have.
Oh,
But-
there we go.
Well, no, someone would have kindly honked.
And they would have waved with
Waved.
their one finger, which
I know.
I always
love it.
appreciate
It's
that.
kind of like economical.
You know?
Economical wave. Only one finger.
Yeah, so you don't use up too much energy. Can we turn that off for a second? Is it even on?
Why do we have to turn it off? I can't help it if your face
We-
is bigger.
That's that. I don't mind if you mention it.
Your giant head.
I can't stand it. Can we not?
It's taking up more of the frame than...
I don't have a
I
giant...
pulled my...
Okay, whoa! I'm moving my seat back. I can't drive. I can't reach
I
the
moved
pedals.
mine as forward as I
Now, who's got the giant head? Oh, dear.
could. I will if I keep eating these nuts.
Mhm.
Don't let him jump.
Okay,
You
let's
ready?
go. I am.
I bought you this.
Oh, God. Oh, look. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because she always pretends she's buying them for the milkman.
Oh, mailman. He's really cute. His name's Brian. I have to say these chocolates are really amazing.
Are they delicious?
Oh my God. Oh, yeah, they are. Okay.
I thought Terry
Thank
likes
you.
those things.
I do. Yes, I think some guest appearances would be really lovely.
I think it would be great. If anyone's interested in guest appearing,
Oh, we would love
give
some
us
guest appearance.
give us a message below.
I like Shelley's idea.
I did too, and I did invite her to guest.
Well, I think that's
for a guest
lovely.
appearance. Margot, want to be a guest? Always dressed so beautifully.
Margot, did you hear what she said?
She was good.
You were always dressed so beautifully. I love Randy Rainbow.
Randy Rainbow, we love you.
We love you. He is hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. Anyways, his name is Randy Rainbow. We love Randy Rainbow. Okay, it's funny, people. Look it up. He's on YouTube.
It was politics,
Yes.
religion,
Yes.
and Jamie's weight.
Oh, yeah, and that's right. And we kind of dropped the money because, yeah, we're
'Cause
going
we're
to go
begging
there.
for money.
We're going to go there. That's right.
And
We're on the bag.
on that note,
That was the note. Holy crow, we're at like same club.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Anyone's interested in guest appearing? Oh, we would love
Give
some
us
guest appearing.
give us a message below.
You're so smart.
I know, right?